Hey, Bebe. Bebe. You're the sugar in my tea, the cocoa in my cupboard.
What is it?
Anytime I see you passing by like you say, I just want to talk to you, just pass out.
It's your family that will pass out in Jesus' name.
Actually, I don't mean you will pass out. I mean, you will pass by. I mean, pass by. So, I know I like you. You're the sugar in my tea. I want us to be boys and girls. I want us to be like this.
Me and you, boys and girls. I mean, me and you, lovers. As in, I will take a good look at me. With all this shape. Just look at me from head to toe. I should be your lover. I can see you're very stupid and unserious. Also, I don't have that kind of time to spend here. Excuse me.
Good luck. Can you see that girl? That girl just insulted me now.
Hey, sister, wait. Who do you think you are? Do you think you are beautiful? My uncle is still seeing you and you don't want to agree. See your puff head. See your bend waist like a cassava stem. You are not even happy that he told you to pass out. In fact, rest in peace. Uncle, let's go. Thanks for watching this sweet comedy video. Please subscribe, like and share. Share with your friends. Don't be stingy. Share with your friends.